Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video, guys, to any of you having a Kia Optima, guys. If you have a Kia Optima, you have engine light on and any of the following 6 codes. I'm talking about code P0130 131 132 133 134 or 135. Stay with us, we will explain what most likely causes that, how to fix it, guys, what to look for, and how to test the component that actually causes that, and also we will explain which tools to use. In addition, we'll also share the computer that we use for diagnostics and what we recommend, because many of you constantly ask us in the comment section below. So all that will be covered today on Kia Optima. This should actually work, guys, on Kia Optima generation 2010 to year 2016. Now, if you guys want to see where we buy all the tools, parts, anything that you need for your Kia Optima, check out the link in the description of the video below, guys. We'll share everything, guys, there. Also, you can see where we get all our tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Something else, guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything, and that's the plan on that Kia Optima as well. All the mechanical videos will be on this channel, and if you want to see videos about diagnostics, electronics, fixing electronic components, guys, all that will be shared on our second channel. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, so check it out, it will be there. Now let's go ahead, continue and show you what we need to do. So, this specifically 2013 Kia Optima that we'll be working on. What we'll do, we're going to remove, that upper engine cover out of the way. On that Kia Optima, this is the 2.4 GDI engine. You have the intake manifold on the front side of the engine. The exhaust manifold is on the back side. Let me show you where, guys. Okay, right there. That's your exhaust manifold. It will be super hot. Never touch it after you ran your car. Let it sit overnight, then you can touch it. Now, that sensor right there down there, guys, this is known as upstream oxygen sensor or bank 1 sensor 1. This is super important sensor for the normal operation of your vehicle. Why? Because that sensor will detect how much gasoline and air you have still in the exhaust system after it burns through the engine, and it will figure out if you have rich or lean fuel mixture, send that information to the engine computer so we can adjust things. You have efficient engine and not polluting engine as well. So things to look for, when you get that code. We're going to explain that, then we'll show you which computer we use, and then we will explain, guys, how we can test them. Look for the cable to make sure it's plugged in, to the connector. Make sure the cable is not melted. Ours is melted a little bit. It has a special bracket that it attaches to right here, and if it's broken, it can touch the exhaust and melt. So that's possible as well. This one didn't melt the wires, but it melted only the outside. Now, if all that checks out, guys, we have a special video that explains how to actually remove, how to remove that oxygen sensor, how to replace it on Kia Optima, and that video will be on our channel. So please check it out. It will teach you how to do that. This is the tool that we use. It's amazing, guys. Without the help of that tool, it's almost impossible to remove those sensors. They will be stuck really bad. For instance, this one, the car is at 190,000 miles, so that's quite a bit, but with the help of that tool, everything was super easy to remove and replace. I'm trying to focus that sensor that drives me nuts. Perfect, right there. So with that being said, guys, check the wiring harness, make sure it's not broken, check that it's plugged in, and the sensor itself could be bad. This is the computer that we use for diagnostics. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. It works on almost any car you can think of, guys. It's amazing too. Key is right here. What we like about it is the fact that you can access every computer system in your Kia Optima, and this one has 17 computers. You can read codes, delete codes, see live data, which makes it super guys, efficient diagnostic equipment that can pay itself off in one-time use. And if you want to see how to test, guys, oxygen sensor on Kia Optima, how to find out if it's good or bad, and we're talking about upstream oxygen sensor, we have that special video on our channel, so please check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.